This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Stripe Tax. This powerful tool automates sales tax, VAT, and GST calculations across the globe, simplifying your compliance efforts. It helps you monitor your tax obligations and manage registrations in over 100 countries. Plus, with support for more than 600 product types, Stripe Tax ensures accurate tax application for nearly any item you sell, saving you valuable time and reducing potential errors. To begin, simply log in to your Stripe dashboard. From there, find and click on the tax section in your settings. You'll see an option to get started. Click this to activate automatic tax calculation for all your new transactions. Stripe will often pre-fill your business's origin address, so just take a moment to review and confirm that these details are correct before saving. Next, you'll want to configure your product tax codes. You can set a default code for most of your offerings, like general tangible goods or general services. For specific items, you can assign individual tax codes to ensure the most precise tax rates are applied. Crucially, add tax registrations for every country or state where your business has a tax obligation, ensuring you collect taxes correctly. Finally, take a moment to review all your tax settings, including whether taxes are inclusive or exclusive of your prices. Once confirmed, Stripe Tax will automatically calculate the correct taxes for your transactions based on your customer's location and the product type. Remember, the dashboard also provides tools to monitor your tax obligations and alerts you to potential nexus thresholds, helping you stay compliant effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.